A Rebels bikie has been jailed when he stood before Perth District Court Judge Charlotte Wallace. 25 years old Darcy Dickson was jailed for selling drugs on the streets of Northbridge, an inner suburb of Perth. A plasterer and construction worker by trade, Dickson is known to police as he has few convictions on his record. He was sentenced in May last year, for possessing cannabis with the intention of selling. At that time he was given the opportunity to serve his sentence within the community under an 8-month conditional suspended sentence order. But within days Wallace was back selling prohibited substances. This time he stepped up from cannabis to MDMA in Northbridge. The court heard that Dickson was approached by police outside the Brass Monkey bar just after midnight in June in regards to an exclusion order. He was found to be carrying a black bumbag containing almost 2.5 grams of MDMA and a folding knife. A search of his house led police to more drugs, electric scales, sealed bags and smoking apparatus. In October last year Darcy became the newest member of the Rebels MC to display bikie tattoos in a public place and get charged, when he displayed his large Rebel Power tattoo in public with his clubmate Josh Joaquim. This happened with Dickson shared pictures on his Instagram account. Under Western Australia's anti-insignia laws, showcasing bikie insignia in public is considered illegal. By displaying Rebel Power arm tattoo in Northbridge, Dickson recently joined the ranks of well-known bikies on this list, which already includes notable names such as Jesse Copeman, Jamie Ginn, and Jason Pettygrove. This hearing is scheduled in May this year. During his arrest, he also refused to give police the PIN number to the mobile phone he had in his possession and was charged with failing to obey a data access order. Dickson had previously faced charges related to a domestic violence incident involving a former partner, and he was awaiting sentencing for this offense. In an attempt to express remorse, he sought to submit a letter of apology in connection to the incident but was unsuccessful. The court was also informed that Dickson viewed his affiliation with the Rebels MC as a beneficial factor in his life and was unwilling to sever ties with it. He expressed a firm commitment to maintaining his current circle of bikies, referring to it as his brotherhood. Bikie told the court that the club culture fulfills certain needs for him, and he feels secure around his club mates. Furthermore, Dickson emphasized that the sense of camaraderie within the club provided a support system that he found lacking elsewhere. He argued that the Rebels, despite their legal troubles, offered him a sense of belonging and understanding that he struggled to find in mainstream society. The court heard Dickson's mother, who attended the sentencing with Dickson's sister, was paying for him to attend drug rehabilitation at the Whitehaven Clinic in Perth. Dickson was sentenced to 3.5 years in prison for the drug offenses and breaching his conditional sentence last year, backdated to June 2023 when he was first remanded in custody. He will be eligible for parole next March.